Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about platelets. Platelets are nothing but the cells which are responsible for the coagulation of the blood when there is injury occur in the body. So let's get to the topic platelets. Platelets are also called as the thrombocytes are the small colorless non-nucleated cell. It is important to note that they are small and they having no nucleus. With numerous cytoplasmic granules, granules are present in their cytoplasm. Shape is spherical or rod shape or become oval or disc shape when inactivated. Their shape changes with the body, and when there is injury in the body, the platelet role is very important. Size is 1 to 4 micrometer in diameter. Normal lifespan of platelet is 8 to 12 days. And there is also important that platelets derive from megakaryocytes, which is in the red bone marrow. Cytoplasm of platelet cell is comprised of Golgi apparatus, which is related to packaging, endoplasmic reticulum, which is related to protein synthesis, mitochondria, which is a powerhouse of the cell, microtubule, microvesicles, microfilaments, which are internal structures of cytoplasm which help in maintenance of structure of the cell. Granules, protein also presents, enzymes, various enzymes, hormones and chemical substance also present in the platelets. Protein present in the platelets are actin, myosin and thrombostatin. Major protein present are contractile proteins which are responsible for the contraction of the platelets. Platelets change their shape according to the type of injury. When we prick our fingertip, after some time blood flow for first, then after some time blood stop in the span of 2 to 3 minutes. Blood stop, and this is called as coagulation of the blood. It is occur because of the platelets and other cells. Fibrin stabilizing factor, clotting factors are also there. Platelet derived growth factors help repair damaged vascular walls. When there is a damage in the vascular walls means blood capillaries burst or there is small damage, then platelets derived growth factor help in repair this damage. Von Willebrand factor is present which is important for the coagulation of the blood with platelets. Let's take a look to the thrombopoiesis. Means poiesis meaning the formation of thrombocytes. Thrombocytes mean platelet. This is a platelet formation. Pluripotent stem cells. These are the principal stem cells from which thrombopoiesis take place. Then committed stem cells and CFU megakaryoblast, basophil megakaryocytes, granular megakaryocyte, mature megakaryocyte, and platelet form at the last. Okay, fate of platelet. They are destroyed in spleen. They form in the red bone marrow. Their lifespan is 8 to 12 days. We have discussed previously. Function of platelet. It is important for this point. A role in hemostasis, vasoconstriction, platelet plug formation. When there is any injury in our body, platelet do their work at that point. Role in a clot formation, clotting means gel formation. Gel is formed, jelly like structure is formed in the place of injury. Role in clot retraction, role in repair of injured blood vessels which are burst due to the high blood pressure or various factors. Role in immunity. Platelet are very important in a perspective of immunity. Transport and storage function is also done by platelets. Applied accepts. aspects. Normal count is 1.5 to 4.5 lakh cubic mm. When the when the patient is suffer from dengue, there is a rapid decrease in the count of platelet, and there is a platelet destruction which may cause internal bleeding. When when in patient there is less platelet, which may cause hemorrhage, means blood is flow and there is no healing in blood vessels or in injury place. Psychologically, variation, age, sex, food, exercise, altitude. When we go from higher altitude, RBCs are increases, and in that accept platelet also increases in small amount. Variation with diseases, as we discussed previously, that dengue decrease the platelet counts, or thrombocytosis means increase in the number of platelet, and thrombocytopenia means decrease in the number of platelets. These are the scientific terms. Thrombocytosis thrombocytosis after splenectomy, when spleen is uh, get out from body by the doctors after severe injury, hemorrhage, major surgery which affect thrombocytosis, formation of platelets, blood cancer like CML, myofibrosis. Thrombocytopenia means decrease in the number of platelets. Idiopathic thrombocytopenia purpura, this is the disease. Bone marrow depression due to the drug and radiation. Hypersplenism means increase in the size of spleen. Infection like dengue, chicken pox, and typhoid fever, which may decrease the platelet count, secondary to same other cancer. Okay, this is all about today's lecture. If you like the concept, then like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.